My name is Muhammad Idrees. Being a parent of three kids, it was really helping and helpful, ongoing to attend these sessions. By coming to this, like last week in this today's session, uh, the things I'm feeling a lot of change to help my kids and to get their help to help them out. So overall experience is very well. The way it was delivered to us uh, from Mr. Shafkat Ali was self-explanatory. We really enjoyed it. Uh, Next week we're gonna come and do about encouragement. Environment is already discussed today. Overall, it was really good and helpful to help our kids in the social life, in the religious life, in their schooling, daily routines, homeworks, etc. etc.